Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to launch a Microsoft Teams meeting efficiently, ensuring you are fully prepared for your next digital session. Whether you are coordinating with teammates or organizing a workspace for a joint project, starting your Teams session smoothly improves the overall experience. To begin, head over to the Microsoft Teams homepage. This site is your portal for hosting or entering digital calls and managing professional tasks. Once there, select the Sign In button and enter your account details. This is essential to access your specific meetings and tools. After logging in, find the Calendar tab. This section is a vital hub for tracking your schedule and initiating instant calls. You can easily find it on the main interface. Now, to start a session immediately, locate the Meet Now button. This is perfect for unplanned discussions that weren't on the schedule, allowing you to create a meeting space instantly without prior invites. Clicking this opens a window where you should select Start Meeting. This action officially opens your virtual room, making you the host. From this point, you can add guests, present your screen, and adjust meeting configurations as needed. A successful session requires checking your microphone, camera, and sharing settings before you begin. Take a moment to get used to the interface controls. You have the ability to toggle your mic and camera or use the screen sharing feature, which is ideal for showing documents or reports to your group. You are now ready to host your own Microsoft Teams meeting using these simple steps. Teams is designed for fluid collaboration, and mastering the start of a call is a vital skill. Remember that practice helps, so try a test run to get comfortable with the interface. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you lead your next meeting with confidence.